How to enter promo codes on TikTok Shop. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enter promo codes on your TikTok Shop. First thing you have to do is go to your web browser or the TikTok Shop app. Go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for TikTok Shop. Hit enter and click on the first link that you see. Now you can go to this URL tiktok.com/shop. and you're going to have to verify this CAPTCHA to continue. Once you verify this, you should be heading over to the TikTok Shop's homepage. Now, the first thing you need to do here is log into your account, but I'm just going to show you briefly how you can do this. So you can just go ahead and enter the product that you're searching for. And once you hit enter, you should be able to see all of the related products. Now just tap on the product. And then from here, you can click on buy now, or if you have the cart icon in the app, you can just add to cart and then proceed to checkout. Now you will be prompted to log in if you haven't already, but before you check out, you'll have an option to enter the promo code field. You'll have that option. So just enter the promo code there and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.